Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see the LINQ roadmap. So LINQ is important for the interviews. In the interviews, most of the interviews they are asking like write a LINQ query for whatever they'll give. So hardly in this LINQ we have the 10 types of 10 topics. I mean, like it is in the most important topics, so you can just learn that how you just practice that. So first is to uh, what is introduction to the link queue. In this roadmap you just what is link queue and why we are using that, and what is the types of link queues. So link queue is just a feature in a .NET, and it is used for instead of writing the raw SQL queries, it is we use this in a C# language like that. Uh, so these are the types to link you to the objects, and link you to the SQL, link you to the entities, link you to the XML. We can use link you in a list, arrays, all that. So mostly in our projects we mostly use the link you to the SQL, link you to SQL. So that is, and coming to the query syntax. uh, link you syntax is coming from here. It is see query syntax. Query syntax is like from in where like that. Yeah, it will come. Method syntax means it is like an extension method. So where, select, or by this methods. So mixed syntax, we can use the both the syntax in a mixed. So defer and immediate execution. So uh, so this is one of the might be asked in interviews, but least priority. So coming to the link you with in-memory collections. So I told, right, link you to the objects. So link you with in-memory collections, same here, arrays and lists. And this is the most important question: I enumerable and I queryable. So this is the most important question. In every interview they will ask 100%. This is a VVVIP question. So coming to the methods, so all these types of methods are there, right? Sorry. Okay. Link you filtering operators. So filtering the operators is a where, type of T, and distinct. uh, it is like in a where means where condition like in a SQL, and distinct means it will remove the distinct elements in an array. And so projection operators, uh, so select and select many, and anonymous types, and projections to the custom classes. And link you sorting operators, order by descending, and then by descending, and custom sorting using compare. So these are there. And link you grouping. So in a link you grouping, group by, and grouping with projections, and nested grouping. And coming to the link you joining. So inner join, we can use join method instead of inner join. So group join is there. Group join is like an left outer join, and zip pairing the elements, and cross join using with select many. Cross join means it is in a like for example, you have in a table and you have in a B table. So from the A table, A first row is matching with the all the rows in the B table, and second row is matching with the all the rows with the uh, I mean it will like in a table you have in a ID1, and B table you have a name. So this ID is matched with the all the names. So one is one, names, all the names. So that will return all the results. Link your aggregation functions. Aggregation functions are there. In aggregation functions, we have the count and sum and average and min and max and aggregate functions. Count, sum, average and max, min. Max, min, average, sum, count. These are the aggregate operations, aggregation operations. And link you set operations. Set operations means union, intersect, except and distinct and contains and any, all. So mostly they'll ask like in interviews, what is the difference between any and all? You should answer that. And link you paging. In a paging, take, skip and take while and skip while. These are the method. Take, skip, take while, skip while. So link you element operators. Link you element operators is first single, last element at, and first are default, single are default, last are default, element at and element at or default. And generation methods, range, repeat, empty, range, repeat, empty. So link you with the data sources like link it to object, link it to SQL, link it to entities, link it to XML, and link it to data set, and link it to JSON. So advanced link you concepts is a nested queries and a let keyword into keyword joining on multiple keys, and custom extension methods and expression trees, and real-time link you scenarios, grouping plus aggregation, conditional projections and multi-level joins, filtering inside the navigation properties, and select specific fields from the multiple tables like DTOs. So this is also important, very important question. It is a link queue performance optimization. So where we use IEnumerable versus iQueryable and avoid unnecessary tools and execution plans and skill generation. Avoid the n+1 query problem. So this is not important. So another one is link you with store procedures. Link you with the store procedure using the from SQL raw, execute SQL raw in EF code. So you can see SQL raw is common, only from execute. These are the two different, from SQL raw and execute SQL raw. So link you with EF core, basic queries like this one, where select order by. This is the roadmap. So hardly what we have here, right? So what are link you projections and grouping and link you sorting operators and joining and aggregation functions and set operations and paging and element operations and generation methods. So I'll explain you. The first thing is the link you filtering operators. So link you filtering operators, the methods is where and of, type and distinct. So coming to the link you projection operators, select many, these are the important. And coming to the link you sorting operators, order by descending and then by descending is important. So coming to the grouping, group by and grouping with the projections and nested grouping, these are the important. And coming to the joining, join method and group join method and cross join method, these are the important. And coming to the aggregation functions, so we have the count, sum, average, min, max, aggregate methods. So these are the important. So set operations, union, intersect and except and distinct and contains and any,